Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a neck wrap push spin. Now, the neck wrap push spin comes off a two-handed travelling return and looks like this. It goes 7 and 8, R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's break it down. Man's left, lady's right. Semicircle back off of the hand, two hands, guys move a little left. We're doing a travelling return, hanging on with both hands. So as we bring the lady through, both hands go up and stay close. We go all the way through to the other side. So we've now got this double cross position, both the lady's arms and the guy's arms crossed, and we're going to take the hands down to the right to prep the lady for a turn. From here, we lead the turn with the man's right hand, and our left, guys, keeps the lady's arm low, it slides up the lady's arm, while the right goes high to lead the turn. It goes all the way round, so we end up with the lady's hand in our left onto the shoulder, all the way round. The hand we've got on our right we bring up and flat, and now we're set up for a push spin. So what happens is we push with the right, we pull with the left. As the lady comes to face, having let go with the right, we go over the top for the extra rotation, lower, and we are done. So let's do that again, and this time we'll work out where the numbers go. So we go back and collect 1. We get a travelling return, 2 hands high, not letting go, 2. Prep down to the right, 3. Right hand leads that turn, left slides up to the shoulder as we go, turn 4, and prep 5. Big spin, double on 6, so that's round twice, 1 count, and away 7. So let's do it to time. Here we go. 5, a 6, a neck wrap, push spin, offer, over, prep, slide, flat, double, and away. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. As always, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You'll know every time a new video comes out. And we'll pop a music recommendation on the end so you've got something nice to practice to. Take care out there.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.